This is a terrible brush. Okay. Ah. Nice. And perhaps you will say, why don't you use this? I used to use, I am used to use, c'est-à-dire, I use this kind of paintings, mais I appreciate more this, because it's more traditional. This is for old people like me. This is for modern guys. It's very quick, very fast. Mais très bon, hein? This is difficult to use. Okay, now better to wash the brush. I want to begin the building of the landing gear, and there are several problems about this, because I want to have an elastic system. Well, this is the landing gear, and we have to go from here to here and attach here. This is not elastic, because this is this one. And when the airplane lands, sometimes it has to make this work. With this cannot do it. Obviously, this is a very, very light plane, and the most landing are on grass, high grass, not on a hard surface. So having it elastic is not required. First problem solved. Second problem, this little part has to go attached, has to be attached to this inside. It's not very easy to find the position. Okay, I make the hole, then glue. It's not enough, because so I think that I will use a little piece of this magic wonderful carbon roll that works perfectly with this or similar, and I will put a little bit here along this inside. Not easy to reach, absolutely difficult to reach. There, I don't know if you can see there inside. Then it comes here, and here another little piece to hold the wire. And this is the very difficult work, because it's not easy to reach the position to work in this place. The other thing is how to stop the wheels. Here I have to bend this 90 degrees, and in all the peanuts plane this was the most difficult work. I don't know how to do. Sometimes I've cut it and I glued a little piece of tube. It's quite nice. Maybe I will do the same on this, but this is after mounted here. Now, I don't want to show you the whole process. I will show you the result. Thanks to my wonderful GoPro Hero 7 Black, I have not the movie of the part in which I mount this, because it was turned from video to picture. So I spoke to you, I made a lot of things for nothing. I'm sorry. So you see the plane finished at the step I'm arrived today, and now I show you what I made for the landing gear. First of all, wheels work perfectly. It's fantastic. With the tube glue. First the tube, then the glue, because if you put first the glue, it's possible you stop the wheel. Then the landing gear. Yes, these are. In the real one here inside you have the dampers, just a spring. Now I mounted the wire, then perhaps you can see the little carbon there, and also here 1 and 2, very thin, because it's very strong, and it's wonderful. Boom. The engine cover is not glued, because I will have to balance the plane and put some weight inside. So this is very precise. Okay. And this is all about, I didn't put the carbon inside as I told you, because it was quite impossible. But in this position, it's okay. Now we continue the video in which I will show you the the engine already mounted. By now I have this stick. This is a piece of wood called, in Italian is ramino. It is very hard, it's very strong. Later I will have to adjust. I don't, I use this very easy and basic system. I'm not so able, yes, I made on a plane something more sophisticated as the one they use, the professional one use. That is a little bit complicated, but a lot, much more better. This is good enough. It's good enough. I love this. I love this. Return to the video. The knot is there. This temporary is not glued. I think that I will not glue it at all, because I have to balance the plane and put weight here in the nose. And then this is my way to charge the engine. The pilots are a little bit too low. Woo! Fast! Terribly fast. Fantastic, fantastic, the first movement. Ah! Yes, I think that I can glue the rear landing gear. And this will be more difficult to cover the plane here. This I can place later. Yes, I will do this. So by now, for today, we made a very important step, because the mechanical part of the plane is finished. My dear friends, and for today, this is all. We made a very interesting work. Few things, but a lot of things. So, comment, like and subscribe. And up to the next. Ciao.